Hey there guys, what's up? I haven't done my hair today yet, but I will get to that in a couple seconds. I wanted to show you my Iron Man faceplate. It literally finished like, I would say probably 3 hours ago. And it started at like lunchtime yesterday, so that took forever. But actually it's not even finished yet because I still have the top of the faceplate that wouldn't fit on the printer still to do. That's what's printing now. See that? Let's see if get it up. But I will get back to you guys right after I fix my hair. It's really flat and ew.
Oh, that would help a detective service.
I don't have an answer. I don't have any skills.
Okay, are you like a high-tech genius sort of person?
No.
Do you like computers?
I'm a lonely country boy.
And I'm a lonely country girl, and I don't care.
I just wanted to go do my hair, but she caught me, and I have to do this play interview for a cookie.
This is not a play.
I have to act interested.
Now, let's see. Do you have any skill at all?
No. Can I have a cookie now?
No.
I need to go do my hair.
No.
Actually, I'm probably not going to do my hair. It's raining out.
They actually taste really
No, I'll be back. I'm not coming back. It's apparently my dog. How are you? How are you? Yeah. Huh? Say hi to the camera. Outside now, I'm not doing my hair because it's raining. I don't think you guys can see it. Don't judge my hair. I never have it down like this. So, I don't care what it looks like when it's down. You hear thunder, Dodger? You hearing the thunder? He doesn't like thunder. He's gonna go under the truck now. Like anything. He doesn't like the thunder. You don't like the thunder, do you? Oh, someone's scared. Someone's getting wet. Are you getting wet? Yeah. I'm getting wetter. So, I'm thinking about doing another giveaway. I think the last one worked out pretty well. I'm going to be doing a Funko Pop giveaway. You guys gotta like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Snapchat if you want to be entered in the giveaway. It is raining a lot out here. Don't think the dog really likes the rain at all. Are we going for a walk, run? A run, walk? A rock? A rock. Where are we going? So I'm following him today. We're going for a rock run. Rock run. Don't mess with the horsies. Dodger! He likes playing with the horses. He likes to herd them and actually do listen to him. Amazing. Oh, they're getting away, Dodger! They're getting away! There are like, no, I don't think you guys can see them, but there are bugs out here still, even in the rain. I didn't know bugs are in the rain. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh. I'm so out of shape. I'm so out of shape, Dad. This is not for me. I'm gonna have trouble walking back up that hill. Got a bug up my nose. Walking in the rain, it's good exercise, isn't it? You're getting muddy. Your whiteness is getting brownness, muddiness. Where are we going? Are we going somewhere? Not in the proper clothes to run, though. Okay, I cannot run uphill. I've not ran in a long time. But I'm also not too fat. Not too shabby. Whoa! Oh no, you like the rain, don't you? You like the rain. What is up with you? You just want to go home, don't you? You don't like the rain that much. What the no, Dodger! You went in the drain pipe! Dodger, no! Oh, no! Oh. No! Is that how you get so muddy? So, gosh darn it. He's the special kind of dog. The special. What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Get those thorns on your legs? I'm gonna have Daddy get those off of you. Don't eat them. Dodger. He was just so clean. Just got back inside. I think my camera's kind of fuzzy. Kind of wet. I just found out my dad's bringing me McDonald's. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow yet. I have my free day off from my job. But I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching daily vlog number 5.